Welcome back. Now, when you have customers or readers of your book, you want to be able to send them to a specific place where they can sign up for your email marketing list. Typically, the email sending service that you're working with gives you access to a tool to create a landing page. Now, in MailChimp, you would go to this creation area. You're then going to go to this link that says build a landing page. Now in MailChimp, you would have to specify the list that you're going to be sending people to. You're then going to give your landing page a name that will be internal that you will be able to see as you edit and update the page. We're going to click Begin. And as demonstrated before, we're going to select a specific landing page template that we're going to edit. Now, not all email sending services are going to be the same when it comes to their landing page builder. Typically, the services want this process to be easy for you, so you can drag and drop elements into the actual page. For example, if you wanted to place a video on this landing page, you would drag this element into the area. You would then click on top of the element. What you'll then see on the right side are the editing elements. So what you can do here in order to make sure that there's going to be a video on your landing page is you would place a video URL here. You can then caption the video here in this area. So basically, you're going to be able to customize the page where you're going to be sending people to in order to collect their names and email addresses. In the case of MailChimp, each of these areas is something that you can design, and when you click on the element, you're going to see the design elements in a right side menu, and you can make changes here. Now in MailChimp, we can complete this process, we can save it and close it. Now you'll notice here that you're given a specific URL. You can make changes to that URL, but basically if you don't have a domain name that you're setting up with the email sending service, you'll use the domain that they are giving you in order to send to your customers. Now MailChimp is a good example of the fact that if you want to add in your own domain as a custom domain, you would have to upgrade your plan. Now we're not going to do that for the sake of this video, but this is a case where you're going to want to make sure that you understand the payment plan and what you'll need for the services that you're going to want for your email sending service. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.